Menteri rangbah jylla Conrad kesangma mentagasngi ulah Plie ke office Mini Secretariat Pynursla ke badai ke office ke Pynursla Civil Sub Division ke bahap hais ke hasil district hak jendon lang ubah Preston tunsong MLA gini jaka badai ru sembut Menteri rangbah jylla. Menteri ketenat pendek pensa ekriti dustur ubah Sanbor Sulai MLA ke seorang ubah Kevin melimngat Chief Secretary jylla Dr. Shekil P. Ahmad Commissioner Sekretari ba CVD Dingdo. Habakran hagane kasni kum konsan Menteri rangbah jylla ulom kajing Plie yagane ke office jang ke Pynursla Civil Sub Division kalong ba sarkar ke kwa ban penjan yak jing tri kam sarkar sya ki pai ba ban pensuk yak jing dei ki pai ba kane ke Mini Secretariat kalong ba sarkar ke kwa ban ra yak kam penroi sya kisnong githau kajing tmu bandon ya Mini Secretariat kalong bagi pajba haba kilit dengkam kim day banlej na kawai kejaka sya kawai pat ban pendep ya kam joki hak bede bagi kam sarkar hanrei ka sarkar ka kwa ba baro ki office jong sarkar kendon hak juk kejaka bagi pajba kensuk haba kilit dengkam bat omday tambah kensuk hanrei ka poru ka bakongsan bagi kelak ban pendep ya shibun ki kam hagajo kasngi. Nagalyang Menteri rangbah ulai kubleiru kerpang ya karat sabong kebalai ya kene jaka bansna ya ka office jang ka Mini Secretariat.
As political leaders and even as society, and we tell ourselves, I wish I had done that. And you know what, if I'd got another chance, then I will do this. And what we forget is that when we have that moment in our hand, we let it go. And we don't do the things and take the decisions because we are worried or scared that we will not be able to achieve it, or because we're not capable of it, or because somebody tells us that you can't do it. So therefore, I think it's very important in life to be more than what you think you can be. To seize that moment in life where you're getting that opportunity to do something, and because somebody tells you you can't, you give up. But then that motivation should come inside you to tell you that you can. And therefore, once again, thank you so much for singing that wonderful song today. It is very meaningful. It's something that inspires me, and I hope that will inspire each and every one of you present out here today. My dear friends, I don't have much to say, but I will continue with one thought, especially after what our sister has sung. And this takes me back to 2018. And I repeat this many times, but I wish to repeat it today also. And that line is a line from a book which was authored by Shiv Khera. And again, one of my favorite books, I should say. And the quote in that book is said that don't do different things, but do things differently. I repeat, you don't have to do different things, but do things differently. It's a very, very meaningful statement, and again a statement that drives a lot of the decision making in our government. First, I told you about that moment when you feel you can't do it, but then you tell yourself that yes, you can do it. A lot of people told us, don't touch the border issue. It's politically very, very hot and it's going to burn you. But we discussed with Deputy CM. And we said that if we don't do it, then nobody is going to do it. We have to try. Because 20 years from now, when we look back, we will regret that when given the opportunity, we didn't do it. Similarly, when I say we do things differently, I'll give you an example of what I mean. That when we have thousands of schemes from Government of India, We don't need to start new schemes. But we just need to make sure that that scheme that we are doing is implemented differently. We have block offices everywhere. We have SDO offices everywhere. It's not that we have to create more offices, but we have to make a system in such a way that the SDO office starts working differently. And when I say differently, I mean more efficiently. And this is the core or the crux of what we do as governance.
Hajingkan Mbak Preston Temsong MLA ni jaka badai ru sembut Menteri Rangbah ke jylla. Lapan pawi sungu ya Menteri Rangbah namar badai hagi lam ke jong lala ban penulong ya kene kam bat kene kran syai ya ke jikut jumut ban kentiu ya thany hagi kam penroi. Bat kene ke jing perkhat ban don ya Mini Secretariat kelong ban bu ya ke jing kam kitna sarkar befer ha ke ju ke jaka nagamta ke jing sup ke jing bit jing biang jang pajba ha ke ba kilej bandar kam
Senayak menta kalaim kan yaim syaduk bom jekut koblei si hajarmu ki pajba bei jong ka Pynursla Civil Sub Division kaburom kadai jong pi